Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to add your grandmother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. This process is simple and will help you keep your family connections strong online. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the About section. This is typically located just below your cover photo. Click on it to access more details about your profile. Next, look for the Family and Relationships tab within the About section. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Family Member. Click on this option to proceed. A new window will pop up where you can enter the name of your grandmother. Type her name in the provided field. Once you see her profile appear in the drop-down menu, select it. Now, it's time to specify the relationship. From the drop-down menu labeled Relationship, choose Grandmother. This step is crucial as it accurately reflects your connection. Finally, click the Save button to confirm the addition of your grandmother to your family members list. Congratulations! You have successfully added your grandmother as a family member on Facebook. Now she will be listed in your family section, making it easier for friends and family to see your connections. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Facebook effectively. Thank you for watching, and enjoy connecting with your loved ones online.